So just at Racecraft, getting the car checked out. It's capable of 1500 horsepower.
No, 2000.
2000, okay, sorry. It's got done the transfer, and let me show you guys my new car. Guys, welcome back. Right now I'm in the airport, hopefully on my way to pick up my new car. So we're headed out to Hyderabad, really excited. So let's see. I completely forgot to take the intro video, so here it is. So the funny thing is, Ruel has no idea what I'm doing, where I'm at right now. We landed Monday evening from Delhi, and today is Wednesday morning. It's crazy. One of my boys in Hyderabad actually called me and he was like, yo, you sold your M3? Why don't you just look into this car? We've been talking about this car way before I even sold my M3. And I was thinking about it too. I was like, let me sell my M3 and get this car. But he called me and we got to talking. I was like, you know what? F it. Let me just call the seller and give him an offer, see if he accepts it. If not, then we'll go with a different car, go in a different direction, see how it goes. But there was a few cars I was almost finalizing before I came to the conclusion I want this car. So yeah, like I said, Roy doesn't know I'm here, doesn't know what car I'm getting. He probably has an idea, but yeah, he's gonna be definitely surprised and shocked when he sees this. And this is definitely one of those cars that I'm not gonna get, but yeah, here I am. Quick flight, it got delayed, but still landed on time. Just waiting for my bag now, and then the car is waiting for me outside at the parking. So yeah, let's go. Look who's here.
What's up?
Sean. So just at Racecraft, getting the car checked out. They were nice enough to accommodate me and get the car checked out somewhere over there. I can't show you guys what it is yet, but hopefully everything goes well. So Sean's R8, first V10 in India to be twin turbocharged. Here it is. What kit is it, bro?
It's a Sheepy
Race
twin
turbo kit, flex fuel kit. So we're going to be running some ethanol as well. But how dope is this? The intercoolers are going to sit over here.
Yeah.
Intercoolers are going to.
Two intercoolers here.
Yeah.
And these are the water lines.
So that's the turbo. It came powder coated from Sheepy orange, and then we have to obviously match the valve cover as well. So
these are G40s, 1150s. They are capable
huge,
of
they're huge, guys.
doing.
This is my hand. That's the turbo. Look how big it is. It's capable of 1500 horsepower.
No, 2000.
2000. Okay, sorry, damn.
But we are not doing 2000 right now, so
Okay.
somewhere between 1300 wheel horsepower.
Wheel horsepower. Damn. So we're at Racecraft. As I said, some cool cars here. We got an X6M, XKRS, a Ferrari, another Ferrari outside, and a GT3 over there. So yeah, there's a GT3. It's my boy Akshad's GT3. Here is a beautiful Spider Gallardo. These things have aged so well, man. So nice. And this is a Performante, actually, not just any Gallardo. Another 812 out there. And this is actually the owner of Vamshi's M2. He's got a roll cage and stuff. And a beautifully restored E36 cab with some Ishii sister wheels. Nice spec. Oh, we just got done the transfer, and let me show you guys my new car. There it is. I know I said I wouldn't buy it, but here it is. And I had to get the M3, the F80, because we got Sean in the car giving us a little rev. But here it is, F80 M3. What do you think, Sean? Give it to
my car.
It's yours, bro. It's yours. Let's go for it. But of course, we had to go ahead and get the F80 M3 because of that booty. That's bone stock. Only has the M diffuser. That's it. And yeah, super clean. Let's go. Pulled up to Tales of Telugu. Sean's taking me out for lunch.
Sandy loves South Indian Telugu food.
Yeah, and I know I didn't give you guys a B-roll of the M3 yet, but I'm starving. So once we get done with that, Sean's going to take us to a nice location and we'll get some B-roll of the M3, right?
Sure, why not?
Of course, if you're in Hyderabad, you gotta try the biryani, right? So here it is. There's some bone marrow biryani. Let's see how it is. Sean, you excited?
Yeah, bro.
What do you think about the new M3 that I just got?
It's nice. It's neat.
You used to have one. Fun car. Good upgrade
I
from
can
the...
have this one also.
It's yours only, bro. Just got done our lunch. Here she is, guys. Looks so nice. I love the white, mineral white pearl. It looks so dope. So let's just go click some nice B-rolls, show you guys a little bit more of this car. M seats light up, obviously. So clean. We just pulled up back at Racecraft. Just gonna give you guys a little B-roll. So, well, you know what to do.
Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up,
Hope you guys enjoyed that little B-roll. Now, let's talk about this car, okay? I got this car, especially because it's bone stock, okay? It only has a spoiler and performance upgraded carbon fiber diffuser, as you can see. But the best things I love about the car, the reason why I didn't get an M4, everyone's like, oh, why didn't you get a two-door? It looks cooler. No, the M3 looks way cooler. Wide body in the back, as you can see, big booty Judy. And obviously all the M3s and M4s come with the carbon fiber roof. So definitely going to be adding more carbon fiber goodies to this car. And it's going to be a fun build, guys. And this car really, really well spec'd. It's got the 360-degree camera, Harman Kardon, and love the paint, mineral white. So, of course, probably not going to stay this color, but let's see. For now, it looks good. We're just loading the car now onto the truck. Should get to Mumbai tomorrow. I have two cars to unload tomorrow. The M3 and the E-Coupe, which is coming back from Delhi. So, should be an interesting day. So yeah, let's go.
Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees.
We get a chance to end this vlog, but I finally made it to Hyderabad airport, and yeah, just on my way to Mumbai now, walking to my gate. So hope you guys enjoyed that little vlog. See you guys in Mumbai. Okay guys, the day is here. Time to pick up my new F80 F3. Let's go. It's in here. You excited, Red? We got Red too. Zach from Australia. We went over there and bought a sick S3. Doing 0 to 100 in 3.7 seconds. So check out his page. I'll put it down somewhere. What is it called? Drag Garage. So check it out. And yeah, let's check out this new whip. What do you think, bro?
White's my favorite color, bro.
I wonder why. Here guys with the M3, looks so clean. Gotta get it cleaned up. It's kind of dirty from transport, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. Comment below. We're gonna go get you some more cool B-rolls, and yeah, gotta go fuel up as well. So you see, the interior is really cool, really clean. These M logos light up. Let me turn off flash. See these M logos on both seats light up. It's pretty cool. So yeah, finally here. Got some mods planned for this. What do you think
About
the M3?
pretty good.
Do you think I would?
All-wheel drive though.
Why? So I can do 3.7
for the win.
Yeah, but then what about when I hook? I'm booked. Hook and book. What do you think, Ruel? You happy?
I love it.
Some crazy
It was
content
very
coming up.
unexpected also, so that's why.
Yeah, I even
very
didn't
out of
expect
the
it.
blue. Yeah,
I also didn't
unexpected
expect it. But yeah, here she is. And of course, any car I get, you gotta do the first fill up. Going with 97 for now. I'm gonna switch over to 100 probably with the tune, but for now, 97 is good on the stock car. now. I gotta go take a leak somewhere because I gotta piss like a racehorse. But all that excitement, I forgot I had to pee. So anyways, yeah, like, subscribe, share. I hope you guys enjoyed that little video. Hope you guys enjoyed the build coming up for this. Lots planned. A lot of carbon fiber goodies. So yeah, see you guys soon.